She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So today's recipe is going to be definitely a delicious one for brunch or breakfast or anytime pretty much. Found these rainbow bagels. I had put a post on my community page to see what you guys wanted me to do with these. There were a lot of good choices, guys. I still might do a couple that I did see. In this case, I decided to turn them into a breakfast delicious burger. In this case, we're going to make a breakfast bagel burger. So as you can see, we've got these wonderful rainbow bagels. We've got some breakfast sausage, some eggs, and some gravy. So in this case, we're going to load up this burger breakfast style, and it's going to be delicious within every bite. So hopefully you guys are ready to start this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the breakfast bagel burger. As you can see, it's loaded with that gravy along with the cheesy eggs and a nice sausage burger patty, along with the wonderful rainbow bagel, which was nice and toasted. Went along perfectly with the sandwich. Definitely a sandwich to try, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of my next video. You guys, take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.